Welcome to Uncommon DevOps Wisdom by Uncommon Sense Consulting. Have you ever questioned the efficiency of your current development and operations practices? If so, you're not alone. In the fast-paced and ever-changing world of technology, businesses must stay competitive. One way to do this is through DevOps transformation. It's not just about implementing new technology, but also about shifting mindsets. A well-crafted roadmap is crucial in guiding this transformation, outlining objectives and strategies. Remember, DevOps transformation is not just about technology adoption, but also a cultural shift. The first step in the DevOps transformation journey is creating a comprehensive roadmap. This roadmap isn't just a fancy chart or a set of bullet points. It's a carefully thought-out strategic plan that outlines your objectives and the strategies you'll use to reach them. Why is this roadmap so crucial? Well, imagine you're setting off on a driving tour without a map or GPS. You may have the best car, plenty of fuel, but without a sense of direction, you'll likely end up lost or at best take much longer to reach your destination. The same applies to the DevOps transformation journey. Your roadmap is the GPS that guides your journey, ensuring you don't lose your way amidst the complexities of technological and cultural change. It's the tool that aligns your team and keeps everyone moving in the same direction. It's the document that sets expectations, defines success, and provides a way to measure progress. Creating this roadmap requires thorough research and a deep understanding of your organization's culture. It's not just about new technologies or tools, it's also about people, processes, and practices. You need to know where you are starting from, the strengths you can leverage, the weaknesses you need to address, and the opportunities you can seize. A key goal of your DevOps transformation should be to automate workflows and continuously improve. Automation is not just about speed or efficiency, it's about consistency, accuracy, and reliability. It's about freeing up your team to focus on what they do best, innovating and creating value. Continuous improvement, on the other hand, is about never being satisfied with the status quo. It's about learning, growing, and getting better every day. It's about turning mistakes into lessons, challenges into opportunities, and successes into springboards for even greater achievements. As you embark on your DevOps transformation journey, remember this: your roadmap is not set in stone. It will evolve as you learn more, as your organization grows, and as the world around you changes. So be flexible, be adaptable, and always be ready to revise and refine your roadmap as necessary. A solid roadmap is your compass in the journey of DevOps transformation. It's the guide that helps you navigate the complexities, overcome the challenges, and reach your destination, a more agile, efficient, and value-driven organization. There are 5 key pillars to a successful DevOps transformation. First off, we have culture. This isn't about ping-pong tables or free lunches. It's about fostering an environment of shared responsibility, where failures are treated as opportunities for learning, not blame. Remember, DevOps is a mindset, not just a set of tools. Next, we have integration. This is all about breaking down those silo barriers between teams. In a DevOps world, everyone's work contributes to the same goal: delivering value to the end user. So, your development operations and QA teams, they need to be working together, not separately. The third pillar is communication. Effective and transparent communication is the lifeline of a successful DevOps transformation. It's about creating a feedback loop that spans the entire software delivery lifecycle, enabling continuous improvement. Automation, our fourth pillar, is a key driver of efficiency. It's about automating repetitive tasks to reduce errors and free up valuable time for more strategic work. Think about things like automated testing, deployment, and monitoring. Our final pillar is cooperation. DevOps requires a high level of collaboration. Everyone needs to be on board and invested in the process, from the C-suite to the interns. It's about working together towards a shared vision. These pillars are the foundation of a successful DevOps transformation. The right tools and skills are crucial in your DevOps transformation journey. Selecting the ideal DevOps tools is akin to choosing the right keys for a lock. They can open the door to efficient workflows and an automated, reliable, continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline. But tools alone are not enough. It's essential to cultivate a team that's not only skilled but also adaptable, capable of leveraging these tools to their full potential. This combination of the right tools and a skilled team can streamline the delivery of value to end users, turning the gears of your DevOps transformation smoothly and effectively. With the right tools and skills, you can maximize the benefits of your DevOps transformation. So, How can you transform your DevOps practices effectively? The journey begins with a well-defined roadmap, outlining your objectives and strategies. Then focus on the 5 key pillars: culture, integration, communication, automation, and cooperation. This isn't just a tech upgrade, but a cultural shift. Equipping your team with the right tools and skills is instrumental. Choosing the right tools could be challenging, but with thorough research and understanding of your organization's culture, it's doable. Remember, the goal of DevOps transformation is to streamline processes and deliver value continuously. Start your journey today.